show you a fun game that you guys can download. It's called Blockheads, and please download it. It's awesome. And yeah, I need a stand for this. Ooh, enough. This doesn't include a lot of messing, so yeah, be right back, and it's just loading. There you go. This is an awesome world. Whoa. No. I need a better stand. Okay. I can't make it stand. Maybe here. This. Okay, so I have two characters because yeah. I am just awesome, and I would love to have it, but I used all my time crystals. So yeah. Daddy, come back. Or sleeping. You could mine. It's just like Minecraft, but it's free. But it takes so long. So I'll be right back when it's. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Raylan? How dare you? Okay, I have to get her back. Where is guys, I'm her. There you go. Now she has to go sleep. She has apples. Okay. Oh, you find these normally, some in caves.
Money.
Some just somewhere you can. So I think we're gonna make some like interesting day. So what the heck? I'll see you guys later.